Photos always contain some of our precious memories, so when you switch from an iPhone to an Android device, you must want to transfer photos from iPhone to Android, right? Fortunately, this is an easy task to complete now and you have different choices to transfer the pictures. Number 1. How to transfer photos from iPhone to Android with one click. Mobile transfer for mobile is one of the best options to transfer pictures from iPhone to Android. Transfer for Mobile is a professional phone transfer tool that enables you to transfer data from one phone to another easily. Number 2. How to transfer pictures from iPhone to Android by drag and drop. Drag and drop is no doubt one of the simplest ways to transfer pictures to Android from an iPhone. As the name suggests, you'll have to drag the photos from the source iPhone and drop them to the Android device using a computer. Number 3. How to transfer photos from iPhone to Android without computer. Using Send Anywhere. With Send Anywhere app, you can be sure that your files, including pictures, will reach your Android device from your iPhone safely. It allows you to transfer different kinds of files between two mobile phones. Number 4. How to send pictures from iPhone to Android via Google Drive. To transfer photos from iPhone to Android, Google Drive is also a good option. This is one of the easiest ways, especially if you already have a Google account. Number 5. How to send photos from iPhone to Android via Dropbox. Dropbox empowers you to transfer photos from iPhone to Android without computer. Also, to copy pictures from iPhone to Android via Dropbox, all you need is an account, internet connection, and the items you want to transfer.